Hello, welcome to Aliraz Vlog, all your mobile net, which is www.aliraz.com.ng and Agaja TV at YouTube. Our tutorial today is how to insert ads into a post, not between the post, into your post. First of all, you open your Chrome browser. When you open your Chrome browser, you log into your blogger site. If you log into your blogger site, when it is finished loading like this, uh, it depends on how do you want. Maybe you want to edit your previous post like this. So you go to edit anyone you want like this, like this. After it has finished, then uh, when it is finished like this, so you turn it to HTML like this. If you turn it to HTML, then you scroll down, you navigate to where you want to paste your ads in between like this. If you want to post it maybe at the top or down there, then if you want to post it at the top like this, then you look for the place where you cannot hesitate your HTML like this. So you put it there, uh, you paste your code there. You have to first of all copy your AdSense code. If you paste it like this, then you update, you press update like this, you update it. So when you finish updating, then you view your blogs, you go for preview to see is it the post that you have edit. Like this. So let me open this one because I have done it for even this one like this. uh, like this, you see, here it is inside the post, not between the post, because if you have not pasted like this, it will not show you this ad there. It will just be at your home page. And one thing about it, if you paste it there, it will show the ad in anywhere in your in this your post, even in the other categories like this. As you can see, it is there, unionbanking.com. uh, you can see this one, trade currencies, uh, and others. They are all part of your, you see, choose from variety of MBS. Different type of post will display there, which will increase your revenue generation. Thank you. Please remember to subscribe.